This is Samsung Galaxy M14, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can extend the random access memory amount you have on this device. So the first step is to launch settings. Onwards you gotta enter the device battery and device care category. Onwards tap at the memory section over here. Go into the RAM Plus section and turn on this little toggle. Reboot the device. And after your phone gets reloaded, you will get additional random access memory gigabytes, even though they will be virtual and allocated from the internal storage, but still you will greatly help your actual hardware RAM to perform its duties, thus resulting in the significantly improved performance. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.